Hello, 18. Are you ready to feel the overflowing love and energy from Pablo, Stell, and Ken? Join us and let's feel the love.
I would run away, yeah, yeah. I would run away, run away. I would run away with you. 'Cause I'm falling in love. Wait, no, never, never gonna stop falling. Hawakan mo ang kamay ko at dadalhin kita saan man gusto kung magsisilbing gabay mo. Ipikit mo ang iyong mga mata, lilipad tayong dalawa, takasan natin ang mundo. Sa aking kamay, handang ibigay lahat ng naisin mo para sa ating paglalakbay. Ang kamay, sa akin ibigay, hindi ka bibitawan saan man mapunta ang biyahe nating dalawa. I would run away, yeah, yeah. I would run away, run away. I would run away with you. 'Cause I'm falling in love with you. No, never, I'm never gonna stop falling in love with you. Girl, anything I can do just to make you feel alright. Oh, I just have to let you know you're fine. Running circles around my mind. Even when it's raining, all you ever do is shine. You on fire. You a star just like Mariah. Then you feel incredible. I turn into a bride. You're mine. Oh, hands on your body. I don't wanna waste no time. Hindi ba't sabi mo, hindi mo ko iwan? Hindi pa pabayaan ako'y mag-isa. Hindi ba't sabi mo, sabay tayong tatanda? Bakit bigla ka na lang nandyan sa kabilang buhay? I'm not gonna fight back what I've become. You've got bruises where I came from, but I wouldn't change if I could restart. I ain't gonna hide this beautiful scars. I've been going way too hard on myself, 'cause that is the reason that I'm feeling like hell. But I wouldn't change if I could restart. I ain't gonna hide this beautiful scars, yeah. Ilang beses ka na lagi lang ganyan. Umiwasan ako'y parang ayaw akong nariyan. Sa susunod na punta ko, mabigyan mo na sana. Kasi kahit anong pangyari ay di ako mawawala ng pag-asa. Ayaw kitang pilitin kung di ka pa handa. Sa susunod na lang, sa susunod na lang. Maybe I give up anything to travel in such a night. Maybe I'll fall in love again come every summertime. Your daddy told me to choose them wisely, but you don't have to try. 'Cause baby, I'll fall in love every summertime. Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every angle. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let it blow the way that Gucci look on you amazing. But nothing can compare to when you're naked. Now about what is him and he got you fighting. Saying you're the one for me, I need to break. When you smile, everything's in place. I waited so long, can make no mistake. All I am, reaching out to you. I can't be scared, gotta make a move. While we're young, come away with me. Keep me close and don't let go. Don't wanna feel another touch. Don't wanna start another fire. Don't wanna know another kiss. No other name falling on my lips. Don't wanna give my heart away to another stranger. Or let another day begin. Won't even let the sunlight. No, I'll never love again. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fairy tale. And then take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer to you. I scraped my knees when I was praying and found a demon in my safest haven. Seems like it's getting harder to believe in anything than just to get lost in all my selfish thoughts. I wanna know what it'd be like to find perfection in my pride, to see nothing in the light, but turn it off in all my spite. In all my spite, I'll turn it off. And the worst part is, before it gets any better, we're heading for a cliff. And in the free fall, I will realize I'm better off when I hit the bottom. Each day goes by and each night I cry. Somebody saw you with her last night. You gave me your words, don't worry about her. You might love her now, but you love me first. Said you'll never hurt me, but here we are. Oh, you swear on every stars. How could you be so reckless with my heart? How could you be so reckless? How could you be so reckless? How could you be so reckless with someone's heart? Sa puso ko'y nag-iisa, kahit merong iba, kahit hindi tama ang ginagawa, sinta. Basta ba'y magkasama lang kita, kahit kapiling mo pa siya, wag nang mangamba. Kahit sabihin na kalimutan ka, di ko to makakaya. Basta ba'y makasama lang kita kahit kapiling mo pa siya. Hanggang saan kita uunawain? Paano ipaglalaban ang pagmamahal? Kung sa pananatili ay nasasakal, nahihirapan ating damdamin. Hindi malaman kung paano aaminin. Nauubos na ang luha at mga salita. Siguro'y di sapat aking pagmamahal. Ito na ba ang hinihintay? Ang pagwawakas ng paglalakbay. Lahat na may ipinigay, ngunit baliwala lang. Kaya paalam, kailangan na yatang harapin. Ito ay di para sa atin. No, 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 no. Hawakan mo ang kamay ko at dadalhin kita saan mo man gusto. Akong magsisilbing gabay mo. Ipikit ang iyong mga mata at lilipad tayong dalawa. Takasan natin ang mundo. Wala nang iba, ikaw lang at ako. Handa kong ibigay ng buo. Ang puso ko sa'yo lang talaga, kaya humawak sa aking kamay. Handang ibigay lahat ng naisip mo para sa ating paglalakbay. Ang kamay sa'kin ibigay, hindi ka bibitawan saan man mapunta ang biyahe nating dalawa. Hindi ka bibitawan saan man mapunta ang biyahe nating dalawa. Oh, 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 nating dalawa.